Good afternoon guys! Welcome back to my channel. May pupuntahan kami guys. Makikikain. Okay guys. Paalis na kami. Okay, get in the car. Get inside. Where's the house key? Sarado ko muna yung gate guys. Bye, Lucky! Are you ready? Let's go! Samahan nyo kami, guys. Punta tayo sa, saan ba tayo pupunta dia? We're going to Durian Festival. So, we're going to try it. Makikikain kami, guys, ng durian. It's a free, I think. Tapos, mamaya, puntahan namin yung mother-in-law ko. Afternoon. Okay guys, let's go!
The big band. Okay, now you D-H-I. And I know D-H-I-N-G. The big. What is then? Number. Here, I tell again. What is human? People. What is human?
Nakapila kami ngayon guys para kumain ng libreng durian. Daming tao. I said so many people.
Well, you cannot.
Nanti ikin pasai. Jadi masalah.
Sabi dito guys, no take away. So dito lang kami.
Oke, untuk mengetahui rumah contoh kami di sana, pihak Austria akan terangkan segala-galanya untuk mendapatkan rumah di sini.
All you can guys. Durian guys. Thank you. Welcome.
Bye.
May libreng tubig pa guys. Only got 3.
Kita mempromosikan produk kita iaitu Astana Pasar 5 di mana anda boleh lihat sendiri di atas sana rumah-rumah contoh yang berada di atas sana. Kalau anda ingin mengetahui info-info anda, minum air durian yang makan, nanti kita boleh panggil. Okey, sama-sama anda menyambut saya dengan durian Nusantara. Anda juga boleh melihat rumah-rumah contoh yang kita berikan di sini. Ini adalah rumah contoh yang sudah bersiap, di mana rumah-rumah yang belum siap lagi sudah berada di sana. Anda boleh lihat mungkin tak berapa lama lagi rumah itu akan siap. Dan rumah ini serendah 418,000 sahaja. Jadi boleh berkunjung dan berhubung terus dengan pihak Rusia kita untuk mendapatkan berapakah harga dan apakah keistimewaan kalau anda berada di Piara Sendayang ini.
Makamay tayo ngayon. And guys, kain po. Sarap.
beratur untuk mendaftar dan mengambil kupon. Setelah mengambil kupon, anda bolehlah pergi ke kemah Musang King untuk mendapatkan.
Mamaya amoy durian ako dito. Amoy durian kami. Ang daming tao guys. Oh.
Mari, jangan risau. Musang King anda masih banyak lagi.
Ang dami eh, ang dami. Okay guys, hugas muna ako ng kamay ko. Kevin, wait, I go see Apa. Maybe you don't know we are here.
Rumah contoh
Saan ko muna guys yung kasama ko kasi iwanan ko siya sa baka hindi niya narinig yung sabi ko. Dito pala yung asawa ko. Hi guys! Andito pa rin kami sa Chara, Sindayan. Naglalaro ang aking mga anak. Sabi ko, uwi na kami, ayaw. They still don't want to go back. Mainit siya guys, pero windy. Yes!
Give me water. Don't jump.
Okay, come. You cannot drink water there. Thank you. Say thank you, Uncle.
Yes.
Bye. Okay, let's go. Bye, friends. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Tapos na kami dito sa Tiara, Sindayan. So, now, pupuntahan namin ang aking mother-in-law.
Like sana mo.
Mainit.
You like I like
You eat ice cream or not just now?
No, there's no
All
ice
finished
cream.
already, yeah?
Yes. Ang daming tinatayong house dito ngayon, guys. Because this is Sindayan is a new developed town here in Seremban. Sandali mag-exit. Nalusaw na yung pulbos ko guys. Sobrang init. Hello, Mother. Wow, Miss Patty. Miss Patty. Hi, Mother. We went to the Durian Festival. This is my mother-in-law, guys. How come Tabi here? Oh. Here. Hi, you guys. Hey guys, see you. Thanks for watching.